TIVC stock analysis and price predictions. Is it a buy? Watch this short 1-minute video till the end, find out. So as I'm just looking and observing Tivic health systems, 108% performance today is absolutely diabolical. And guess what? I'm a big fan. I'm not saying it's like a bad thing, right? But all my previous predictions have been just bearish. I've made more videos than anyone else in the space with the most proof documented, and I'm saying this because it is the truth. And I have documented everything. And even in this instance, what I'm going to do is I'll mark the lows. And only if I see the price giving me some sort of shift and a double break, only then I'm going to look to further take things down. I don't care about no 105% increase in price, because I'm not even exaggerating when I say I've literally seen this happen thousands of times. And here's the proof of me previously calling things lower or just expecting a correction. I literally called it out 2 months back. So let me know what is your opinion. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Goodbye.